Hello, my lovelies. A few weeks ago, we celebrated my son's 7th birthday. And since it was a home affair, the decoration just had to be handmade. Let me teach you how you too can make simple decorations to take your home baked cake to the next level. These are the materials required, plus, you'll need any sort of circular object to cut circles out of the paper. Of course, in different sizes. So let's get started. Draw a circle and find the center and shape it like a flower, a petal of a flower. You can draw any kind of flower you like or find easy to go with. I then took a long strip of paper. It's about half an inch broad. Give fine cuts. I realized this was taking forever, so folding the paper makes a lot of sense. So go ahead and find ways to make your work faster and life simpler. Now roll the paper and keep applying glue so it stays in place. Make sure to roll it tightly. Once done, open up the cut ends outwards. I took another smaller circle and stuck them all together. Well, and if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, then please do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the bell button so you get notified on my upcoming videos. For the next flower, I cut a 3-inch broad strip. The breadth will depend on how big or small you want the flower to be. Now simply fold the paper to score it. And then open it up to fold it like a Japanese fan. You probably must have made this fan at least once in your lifetime, haven't you? Comment and let me know if you did. There you go. However, we will need one more to complete the circle. Wow, there it is with a click of a finger. How easy was that? Okay, now stick them together and you'll get a whole circle. This fan method thing also works well to make pretty party backdrops like this one on my left. Okay, this is another smaller circle I cut and fold it twice. Draw 2 flower petals and cut it out. When you fold the paper, it helps to cut evenly and makes the job easy, as long as you can move the scissors smoothly. Also, each time you cut a circle for a particular flower, make sure the inner circle is smaller than the other one. Stick one on top of the other and you're done. I also score the center of each petal to give some dimension to the flower. To make this flower a bit sturdy, I glued the back of the flower and added an extra circle for neatness. For the next flower, again make a circle and draw petals. Cut it out. Similarly, make smaller circles and draw petals differently this time. It just looks good. Stick it and it should look something like this. Last of all, cut a larger circle. Then with the help of a wavy craft scissors, I cut the edges. If you don't have this one, then it's okay. Just keep it as it is. The rest of the process is the same as we did for the previous flowers. You can just use your imagination and go about with it. Also, get your kids involved in such paper crafts and they'll be thrilled that they actually got to play some part in making the birthday cake. Now the final process is to make a stem so we can put it on the cake. I measured the height of the cake and marked the skewers on the pointed side. Adjust the flower height accordingly and glue it down. That's it, and your cake decorations or cake toppers, whatever you would like to call it, is ready to go on your cake. If you like this video, then please smash that like button and leave a comment. Let me know what you like about this video and what kind of craft tutorials would you like to see in future. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video with as many as you can. Thanks for watching. See you soon with more creative stuff. Take care and stay safe.